Discover how the language of shapes and line can awaken body's natural intelligence for healing and renewal. In this transformational course, Neuro-Healing, we explore the science of art and bioenergetic BioGeometry signatures, inner patterns shown to harmonize subtle organ energies through the resonance of shape, proportions, lines. We will add Neurographica to rejuvenate and restore organs. Guided by over 45 years of research, you will learn how simple geometric forms can restore balance, release toxins, and rejuvenate your organs. We will deepen the experience by integrating Neurographica. Experience is needed, only curiosity, openness, and willingness to reconnect with your body's innate wisdom. Join us to draw, feel, and transform as you reawaken equilibrium and vitality through the art of neurohealing.